Hello, boys and girls. Now that you've reviewed your sounds, we're going to go over some new vowel sounds, 2 trick words, and then you're going to practice writing some words and a sentence. Here we go. Now you know the vowels, right? Let's try to say them out loud. What are the vowels, everybody? Ready? A, E, I, O, and U. A, E, I, O, and U. Now, we're going to be learning about vowel teams. These are 2 vowels that go together and they make their own sound. Okay? So we're just going to look at 2 today. This is bait. The worm on the hook for fishing is bait. So we're going to say the vowel team and the picture to remember it. A-I, bait, A. Now you say it. Good. Now we're going to say A-Y, play, A. Good. If you notice, both of these both say A. Now I'm going to come back to the whiteboard and I'm going to show you some words that have AI and AY in them. Okay? Bait, sail on a sailboat, hail, main, like if you're on the main street. Can you think of any others? I just thought of another one that I'm going to write down. Mail. I just hear actually the man outside delivering my mail now. Mail. And now for AY, we have some other words. Play, stay, say, and we're in the month of May, so that would start with a capital M. Those are just some examples. You don't need them for your spelling words yet, but you're going to see them in books. So it's good to know what these sounds are. Now I'm going to take this board away. And you're going to learn 2 new trick words, okay? And they do have this AY sound, okay? The first sentence says, I say that is great. Now we're going to circle that. That's one of your trick words, and it's in your spelling list. Can you say that and write it in the air? I'll write it with you now. Ready? Let's write it in the air. S-A-Y spells say. Let's look at the next sentence. She says that is great. I'm going to circle this word. What word did I circle? Says. Do you notice anything about these 2 words? They look almost the same, but they're spelled differently. This one just has an S at the end, and it's pronounced says. All right, write that in the air, please, and I'll trace this. S-A-Y-S. Good job. So those are tricky. You're going to have to write them in the air and practice them a little bit. They are your spelling words too. And they also have that new vowel pair that we learned, AY, today. So now Baby Echo's going to come back. Okay? Make sure you have a piece of paper numbered 1 to 5. And the first 4 words you're going to tap out. Then you'll write a sentence. Number 1. Okay, number 1, plan, plan. Now slow down and tap all those sounds out before you write the word. Number 2, snap, snap. Number 3, flat, flat. Number 4, cluck, cluck. Here's your sentence for number 5. This is a question. Did the ball swish in the net? Did the ball swish in the net? Don't forget, the sentence always starts with a capital letter, and this is a question, so make sure you use the right mark at the end of the sentence. See you tomorrow.